Hi, hi. This is a video of showing how to make a Lego Chaos Emerald, and as long as you have enough colors, you can make any other Chaos Emerald, such as blue, light blue, green, yellow, red, clear, or purple. It doesn't matter what kind of Chaos Emerald, but this is how you make one of them. Now you should have this piece right now, so far. You should have like 8 dotted on the top. Wait, 8 by 2 on the top, 10 by 2 on the bottom, 12 by 2, 12 by 2 right here, just right here, 12 by 2, 10 by 2, 8 by 2, and you should have like another 10 by 2 right there at the bottom. Now that you have the 10 by 2 on the bottom right there, keep building until it reaches all the way to the bottom. And you have, until you have 2 of these, or this. And if any of them have like little marks on it, that's alright. Just make sure it's covered. Oh yeah, so that's these. And there's your little Chaos Emerald. It doesn't matter what color remember, it doesn't matter what color you make. Either red, yellow, green, blue, light blue, clear, or purple. Just make sure it just looks like that. There should be 8 layers. And for more videos, please comment so I can make more Lego creations on how to make Lego Goomba or many others. Thanks for watching.